Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Thermomix TM7 butterfly whisk falling off from the knife. Once I remove the lid on top of the device, I can install the butterfly whisk. Now, what is important about it is that it may fall off once you install it. So you should install it just like that. And it will be falling off. It will be moving just like that. It is very, very normal. But if you'd like to stop it, you can actually put it in, then twist it in counterclockwise direction, and then it will be locked. You can see now if I twist it in counterclockwise direction, it is locked, so it's harder to pull it off. Then if you'd like to unlock it, you can twist it in clockwise direction and it's easier to take it off. Now remember that if you are using the butterfly whisk, you should never use speeds above 4. So if you're using the manual mode with the butterfly whisk, remember not to use speed level above 4, because it may destroy your butterfly whisk and then it will probably fall off if it's broken. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.